So I hope guys you are well and healthy and wealthy. Today we are here to learn English, which will be something new. I have two students here. What is your name?
My name is Bhumika Naryam.
So we have Bhumika here. What is your name?
My name is Vaidik Punase.
Vaidik Punase. You must have seen Vaidik in many videos. So today also again here we have Vaidik and he is going to answer all the difficult questions which will be asked by Bhumika. So I have lots of things to tell you, but before I start this video you need to like it and you need to be connected with us and watch the video till end. I know that they might make some mistakes, but mistakes are the part of learning, but at least they are trying to learn English, because coming from a village it's not easy to speak English and learn English, but they are trying. So I'm giving mic to Vaidik. Vaidik will answer all the questions and she's going to ask questions. So let's begin.
What is your name?
My name is Vaidik Punase.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
What is your qualification?
I study in 5th standard.
What is your aim?
My aim is I want to become a successful cricket player in my life.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing game.
What is your father?
My father is an DC officer.
What are you doing nowadays?
I study and play nowadays.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one sister.
What is your birthplace?
My birthplace is Sanawad.
How old will you be this year?
I am 11 years old in this
Where
year.
are you from?
I am from Sanawad.
What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Hindi.
Do you like to play games?
Yes, I like play games. Like
When do you play games?
I play games before study.
Which is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
What is your favorite player? Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Virat Kohli.
Do you study?
Yes, I study.
When do you study? At home?
I study at morning and evening. Morning and evening time.
What is the name of your school?
My school name is Kendra Vidyalaya, Badbang.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
When do you get up in the morning?
Usually I get up at 7:30 a.m.
When do you go to bed at night?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
When do you take lunch?
I take lunch at 11 a.m.
When did you start walking?
I start walking in age of 3 years old.
When do you learn bicycle
Riding. I learned bicycle riding at the age of 4 years old.
When do you go to school first time?
I went to school first time at the age of 4 years old.
When did you start learning English?
I start learning English before 3 months.
Where will you go now?
I will go at my home.
How will you go there?
I go by walking. I go there by walking. Sorry.
Where do you live?
I live in Sanawad.
What does your father do?
My father is a NSDC officer in Omkareshwar Dam.
Who gives you money?
No. My father is gives money. Gives me money. Sorry.
Do you read newspaper?
Yes. I read newspaper.
Which newspaper do you read?
I usually read Dainik Bhaskar.
What do you read? Do you like colors?
Yes, I like colors.
Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is orange.
Why are you here? Why are
Sorry?
you here?
I am here because to learn English.
Do you like song?
Yes, I like songs.
Which is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Tera Baap Aaya.
How is your family?
My family is well and nice.
Do you have joint family?
No, I have a nuclear family.
How is your health?
My health is good.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, I like fast food.
Which is your favorite fast food?
My favorite fast food is Manchurian.
Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I am pure vegetarian.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Which subject you like most?
I like GK most.
The subject you don't like?
I don't like science.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV at morning and evening time.
Which is your favorite program?
My favorite program is Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Which work do you like most to do?
I most like to play cricket.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend name is Adhar Chaturvedi.
Do you believe in God?
Yes, I believe in God.
Who is your favorite God?
My favorite God is Lord Krishna.
What's new?
And nothing is new.
Where were you yesterday?
Yesterday I was at my home. Thank you. If you like our effort, so please like and subscribe. Thank you.